How to send videos using Google Drive on Android. This tutorial shows you how to share a video without needing to attach the whole file directly. First, open the Google Drive app on your Android device. From there, tap the plus icon at the bottom right. After that, tap Upload. At this point, tap Photos and Videos to browse your gallery directly. Following this, select the video you want to upload. From here, tap Upload to confirm. Give it a moment while your video finishes uploading to Drive. At this stage, once it's uploaded, long press on the video to select it. Following this, tap the Share icon at the top. From here, tap Share or Get Link, depending on what's shown for your version of the app. At this stage, tap on the Current Access setting, which usually shows something like Restricted. Following this, change it to Anyone with the link. From here, tap Copy Link. Once copied, that link is ready to paste and send through any messaging app, letting the recipient watch or download the video directly without you needing to send the actual file. That's how you send videos using Google Drive on Android. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!